Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily humanize AI content. So if you are using ChatGPT or other tools for maybe blogs, emails, or scripts, it is fast, but it often lacks of soul, emotions, and that crucial human touch. And here I'm going to show you how you can easily humanize the content generated from AI tool. So you can just open any AI tool that you use. Let's say you are using ChatGPT. For example, in here, I'm asking ChatGPT to write me a paragraph about the wonders of deep sea exploration. So I'm going to copy this result. Then you can just go to this page called aihumanizer.net. So for this one, you can just paste the AI generated text, or you can also try a sample from the web. It's 100% free AI humanizer. So let's just paste in here. Then you can click on Humanize AI. So the web will refining your content, analyzing and restructuring the text, and also enhancing the clarity. Okay, so this is the before and here is the after. So the blue one is the replace from the AI result. These are the replacement. So you can just copy the text or copy the HTML from here. So that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.